Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set fingerprint lock on Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. You can significantly improve your phone's battery life. Follow these methods carefully to optimize your phone. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can manage all your phone's features and security options. Step 2. At the top, tap the search bar and type Fingerprint. Wait for the results to appear. Step 3. From the results, select Fingerprint. Your phone will ask you to verify your current screen lock, PIN, password, or pattern. Enter it to continue. Step 4. Tap on Fingerprints, then select Continue. Now tap Register to start the setup. Place your finger on the sensor, either under the screen or on the power button depending on your model. Lift and place your finger repeatedly until the progress bar reaches 100%. Make sure you adjust your finger slightly each time so the phone captures all angles. Step 5. Once completed, your fingerprint is saved. To test it, lock your phone and simply place your registered finger on the sensor. If set up correctly, your device should unlock instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.